To understand these functions, let's take 20 random numbers, which may or may not be repeated. For these numbers we will calculate. The average function provides the arithmetic average between two or more values. To calculate the average of a cell range we use the command equals average. Example. Equals average, A3:A22, calculates the average of cell values in the range A3 to A22, thus, we shall have the average of these values. Large and small function. The large function requires the user to additionally inform the ranking of which is the large he wants, meaning whether it is the second largest, the third largest, and so on. To find the largest value in a range of cells we usually sort ascending order. Take a look. Sorting the previous numbers we will have an order from largest to smallest. To find the smallest value in a range of cells we sort in descending order. Example. Sorting the previous numbers we will have an order from smallest to largest. Maxi and min function. The logic behind this function is similar to the previous functions. However, in this case, it will provide the highest or lowest value within a range or between user-specified values using the semicolon. Let's see. Equals maximum A3:A22, highest value of two cells, A3 or A22. Equals minimum A3:A22, lowest value of two cells, A3 or A22.